Hello everyone and welcome to this brand new video series where we will dive into the exciting world of programming the Raspberry Pi Pico using the Wokwi online simulator. Whether you are a seasoned programmer or just starting out, this series is designed to be your guide into the realm of embedded systems and microcontroller programming. Hi, my name is Jason and I will be teaching you throughout this journey. Together, we will explore the endless possibilities that the Raspberry Pi Pico offers, from simple LED blinking projects to more advanced applications. The Raspberry Pi Pico, equipped with the RP2040 microcontroller, is a game changer in embedded systems. With its dual-core ARM Cortex-M0 Plus processors, running at speeds up to 133 MHz, generous memory resources, and versatile peripherals, the RP2040 empowers developers to create a wide range of projects. So I'll not go into the details of the RP2040 microcontroller. You can always look at the documentation to know more about it. In this series, we are going to focus on how to program it using the Wokwi simulator. But why Wokwi, you may ask? Well, Wokwi provides a convenient and accessible platform for experimenting with microcontrollers without the need for physical hardware. So if you want to do it on the hardware, you can use some IDEs like Arduino IDE, which has support for Raspberry Pi Pico as well. And you can do it on the hardware as well. It is well and good. But for the ease of presentation during this video series, I will be making use of the Wokwi online simulator. And in this series, we will be using the C programming language as supported in the Arduino IDEs to write code for the Raspberry Pi Pico, harnessing its capabilities to interact with the world around us. And also, we will delve into the fascinating realm of assembly programming, unlocking the full potential of the Pico's microcontroller. So whether you are here to learn, experiment, or just have fun, join me as we embark on this exciting journey of Raspberry Pi Pico programming with Wokwi. So stay tuned so that you don't miss any of the upcoming videos. Let's get coding.